24 hours, and as you can see, this is just a rough sanding. And the idea here is we want to make sure that we can loosen these nuts without breaking them. I was hoping to keep every single piece intact, but as you can see, this muffler has seen better days and I'll probably have to replace it. But all in all, I was very pleased with the lack of rust on the gas tank, and a lot of this metal here has been intact. Just really happy with that. And the governor itself too is in real good shape. All of these pieces will be taken apart and sandblasted again, because even within 24 hours you could see bare metal and atmosphere don't really mix. But we're at this stage of the project. The next comes disassembly of all the pieces, and we'll see exactly what we're going to need to restore this.